Aura isn't just for designers and engineers, it's here to support non-technical users across your entire organization. For global teams, Aura's instant translation capabilities can be a game changer. It can automatically translate documents into multiple languages without even needing a prompt. Just give it a few seconds and Aura delivers a translated version, making collaboration across borders smoother and faster. Aura isn't just great at translating, it can also help you make sense of information. For example, after a long Zoom meeting, you don't need to read the entire transcript. Aura can summarize it for you instantly. Need just the key takeaways? Done. Want a more detailed version for sharing? No problem. It adjusts the level of detail based on your needs, saving you time, reducing manual work, and helping everyone stay aligned.